drive that road.
Drive that road for 1.4 miles.
So we try to scout out a camping spot.
Once we got a campsite all set up, we hit the road and headed out to find the actual Palm Canyon.
This is KOFA Wildlife Refuge. And then there's more camping back here.
The rules are just a little bit different between the KOFA Wildlife Refuge and your typical BLM dispersed camping. Both allow camping and both allow up to 14 days camping. But probably the biggest difference that I found was that in the wildlife refuge area, you have to stay within 100 feet of a designated road, whereas a typical BLM ground, you can go far out as you want.
That says no cars, but that's a camp. I think it's beyond that.
Maybe it's yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that would be a sweet spot.
Yes,
Yeah.
right there. Oh my gosh. You think that is in those mountains is Palm Canyon, and that's where we're headed. There is a car up there at the top, I guess, before you get out and scramble up into the canyon. Oh, this is a nice spot right here too, and it's nice and flat to get into. Wow, there are some nice camping spots.
Okay, so we drove about 7 miles down Palm Canyon Road. Right over there is where our camper Nilly is sitting. We made it to the trailhead parking lot, put on our hiking shoes, and started headed up into the canyon. A couple of the YouTube channels that we follow made this hike, and so we're here and about to find out if Palm Canyon lives up to all the hype.
Let's take a hike. Look for a palm tree. Alright, well it says this is moderate trail, just a bunch of big boulders you got to walk around and just don't twist an ankle, but so far it's doable. I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up, but there's saguaro clear up in there.
You'll have to dub out my heavy breathing.
The trail's just a little bit, it's not bad. It's not really a rock scramble, but it's got, yeah, I think literally this last 100 yards has been a 200-foot elevation gain. Careful. There's people up here. You scream, they might freak out. Okay. I'm at my first resting spot.
There's Willie sitting in the parking lot.
It is flat right across here. The canyon looks so small, but every time we go around a corner, it just keeps going further back in there. And I'm looking back in there and I don't see a palm tree in sight.
Found some shade.
Says palms with an arrow pointing this way, but I think we were lied to. No, I see the sign that says look this way for the palms, and I do not see them anywhere. Okay, dear, I think I see them, but it's going to take your camera because they're in the shade already. Something we probably needed to see about 3 hours ago. I think they're right up in there.
Oh yeah!
I think they're right up in there. They're in the shade, and my GoPro, I don't think it's picking it up, but there seems to be a whole line of palm trees up in there. So,
After hiking deeper into Palm Canyon, we finally spotted the palm trees that give this place its name.
still in the sun. Yeah, there's two little ones, yeah.
There's different species.
I'm calling them pines. Or palms.
Then, by pure chance, we met another hiker who happened to be a professional photographer.
A little wheezy there.
With just a few tweaks to Debbie's iPhone settings, he helped us capture some amazing photos in the canyon's deep shaded areas. Feeling satisfied that we'd found at least some of the palm trees, plenty of photos captured, it was time to head back down the trail. But not before one final selfie in Palm Canyon to remember this unforgettable hike.
We can see from the road. Who knew we had to walk 5 miles? Uphill both ways.
Guy got me.
Okay, Willie,
Come get us.
come, yeah.
You
Hey,
turned yourself off. Turn yourself on.
hey,
Here.
Kit, come here.
Here.
Come here, Kit.
Let me do this.
Palm Canyon turned out to be one of those places we'll always remember. As we headed back to camp, we carried home more than just photos. We carried memories of a truly special day. And days like this are a big reason we love this lifestyle. A scenic hike, some unexpected kindness from a fellow traveler, and another memorable adventure to add to our journey. Hike was over and the desert was settling in for the night. As the stars came out overhead, we couldn't help but feel thankful for another unforgettable day. Thanks for watching today's video, and make sure you are subscribed to our new channel. Hey, we keep hearing that YouTube isn't pushing our videos out to you guys, so make sure to hit that notification bell. That's the best way to get notified of our next adventure.
Just had one night here. This was an overnight stop for us on our way to Yuma.
Over the next couple of months, you're going to see a lot of boondocking videos coming from us. With the adjustments to our solar, adding the new battery, we've been able to boondock a lot, and we're looking forward to sharing these videos with you guys. You'll be seeing some absolutely amazing locations now that we can sit off-grid for days at a time.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And we're on the road. I just can't wait to get on the road. Okay, we are heading to Yuma, and it is what, just an hour drive?
An hour and 12 minutes. An hour and 15 minutes.
All right, let's head to Yuma.
So we come to a split in the highway. Kelley's Outdoor Adventures, the RV Drifters, will be heading down to Yuma, and Traveling Willy-Nilly Style is going to be heading north towards Nevada. See you next week. Hey, cheers everybody.